I was gifted this collagen shea butter hair mask by the company. This is for dry, damaged hair and it's sulfate free. My hair looks pretty good, but it's all the way down my back. But my daughter's hair is definitely damaged because she dyes it every couple weeks. So using masks is something that she does regularly, and this one is great. So you apply this to towel dried hair. So I'll have her put it on after she gets out of the shower, and then you just put it on from mid length to ends, but her hair's kind of short, so she does not need very much. This bottle's going to last us a long time. And you leave it in for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse off with clean water. You can use it 1 to 2 times a week. We use this one once a week, and then we use a different one with different benefits for her second mask of the week. This one is super thick, a little bit goes a long way, and it smells pretty good too. Definitely love this collagen shea butter hair mask.